Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Greg Douglas coming at you with another weekly renovation update. A lot of stuff going on here. We're coming down the home stretch. I think I've said that for about the last month and a half here, but realistically, we're about 2 to 3 weeks out from our grand opening party. Next week on Friday night, we're going to have a concert happening on the stage behind me that's getting rebuilt by the facilities team here. Our IT team's going to jump in and get all the speakers and sound and lights put back that were there before, and there's going to be a dance floor in front of it for you to enjoy. So with that in mind, also we'll have slot machines getting installed on the gaming floor behind me, and our sports bar is getting pretty close to being opened up too. So lots of fun stuff happening here the next couple weeks. Get out, see the tulips, come visit us, come see our food, and guess what? We're down to one ticket now. One ticket gets you on all machines here throughout the property. All of us have been waiting for that for a long time. Great job by our electronics gaming team making that happen. Have a great week, everybody.